Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to factory reset your iPhone and iPad. As the term factory reset suggests, this option restores the software on your device to the way it was when it left the factory. It means that all the settings return to their default and all your data such as downloaded as photos, music, documents and other files are deleted. After a factory reset of your iPhone or iPad, you can practically set up your device from the scratch like new. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first go to settings, scroll down and go to general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next tap on reset. You will find the option reset all settings. This will reset your home screen layout, location settings, network settings, privacy settings and the keyboard dictionary, your Apple Pay cards to the default. If you choose this option, it will not delete files and media. And the next is reset network settings. This deletes all your network settings such as Wi-Fi login credentials and networks that your phone automatically connects to. Further, manually trusted website certificates are rolled back to untrusted and your device name is reset to just iPhone. And the next is reset keyboard dictionary. This will delete any words you might have added to their default keyboard dictionary on your iPhone. And the next is reset home screen. This will eliminate your custom layout or app folders on the home screen. All the stock iOS apps will return to their default positions and the home screen will return to the looking like it was when you first set up your iPhone. Your data will be safe. And the next is reset location and privacy. As the name suggests, this option restores the location services and the privacy settings of your iPhone to their defaults. And you are done. And here you can see another option, erase all content and settings. This option is what we usually refer to when talking about factory reset. It completely removes all of your content and settings, restoring your iPhone to the way it was when you first bought it. So it is only the erase all content and settings option that will delete all the data from your device except the default apps and settings. Before you start setting your iPhone or iPad, you will need to turn off Find My on your device. For this, open settings on your iPhone and then tap on Apple ID at the top. Next, select Find My and then tap on Find My iPhone. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. Mine is grayed out because I turned on stolen device protection. And you are done. Once disabled, your iPhone or iPad is ready to reset. Then go to settings. Scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next tap on erase all content and settings. Tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone. Enter the iPhone passcode, then you may follow the on-screen instruction once the automatic iCloud backup is complete and you are done. I hope this video will help you to factory reset your iPhone and iPad and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.